Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to deposit money from Venmo to your US bank account in 2025. Whether you're a Venmo pro or just starting out, this process has gotten even easier with the latest updates, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it without any hassle. Why bother? Well, getting your money into your bank quickly means more flexibility for bills, savings, or splurging on that coffee you deserve. First things first, make sure you have the Venmo app updated to the 2025 version on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to your Venmo balance by tapping on the $ icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your available funds are displayed. Next, look for the Transfer to Bank option. It might be under a menu like Manage Balance, or directly on the balance page. Venmo's interface is pretty intuitive. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your linked bank accounts. If US Bank isn't linked yet, you'll need to add it. Just select Add Bank, and follow the prompts to connect your account securely using your bank's login details. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Venmo offers options for instant transfers, which might cost a small fee in 2025, around 25 cents to $5 depending on the amount, or standard transfers that are free but take 1 to 3 business days. Choose what works best for you. After selecting the transfer type, review the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure everything looks good, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a notification once it's processed. And that's it. By 2025, Venmo has streamlined this process to be faster and more secure, but always keep an eye on any potential fees or limits based on your account type. If you run into issues, check Venmo's help center or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.